Lily. She went so fast.
Grab both ends.
Sophia,
Lily,
let her do it. Sophia, face this way.
You grab it, you hold it together, and you throw it like this.
I'll help you. You guys stand behind the pumpkin. Lily, everyone else back up. Lily, get out of the way, honey. Because what if she hits you? Throw it. Just leave it.
Nice, Fifi.
Morgan, can you go get the first place in the tickets? Okay, this one's yours. Can you guys just stand by your fails for me, please? That'd be great.
Lily, you threw that? Oh, we missed it.
Don't move it. You gotta leave it. What do you say?
You got first place. Lil, show me your winning.
Oh my gosh, Reese is cool.
Jacob, you're gonna be. You guys.
Who didn't get a prize? Who didn't get a prize? Cookie, come here. I have something else for you. Oh, Mom. They have